Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Squarespace for affiliate blogging and monetization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Squarespace for affiliate blogging and monetization, first, visit the Squarespace website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign up process. Choose a template that fits your blogging style and niche. Preview the templates by clicking on them to see how they look. Once you've selected a template, click Start with this design. Next, you'll create your Squarespace account by entering your email address and a strong password. After signing up, you'll be taken to the website editor. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which includes sections for pages, design, marketing, and settings. Create a new blog page by clicking on the Pages section. Select the plus icon and choose Blog from the options. Customize your blog settings, including title, description, and layout. To create your first blog post, click on the blog page you just created. Click the plus icon to add a new post. Start by adding a compelling title that reflects your content. In the text editor, write engaging content that provides value to your audience. Incorporate relevant affiliate links within your content. Highlight the text you want to link, then click the link icon to insert your affiliate URL. Optimize your post for SEO by adding keywords, a meta description, and tags. Use headings for better readability and structure. Once your post is complete, click Save and then Publish to make it live. To monetize your blog, explore affiliate programs related to your niche. Sign up for these programs and obtain your unique affiliate links. Promote products by creating dedicated review posts or including them in relevant blog entries. Track the performance of your affiliate links using analytics tools. To further enhance your site, use Squarespace built-in marketing tools. Integrate email marketing by setting up a newsletter subscription. Connect social media accounts to promote your blog and affiliate products. Regularly update your blog with fresh content to retain traffic and improve SEO rankings. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.